Good day, everyone. Today I am going to explain how marketing plays a crucial role in driving food innovation. Marketing helps companies understand what consumers want and need, allowing them to create new food products that match those preferences. Through research, promotion, and effective selling strategies, businesses can successfully introduce innovative food ideas into the market. For example, plant-based meat brands like Beyond Meat use social media and influencer marketing to reach health-conscious and eco-friendly consumers. Next is the Coca-Cola develops zero sugar variants to match growing health trends, while Starbucks launches seasonal drinks like the pumpkin spice latte to connect with changing lifestyles and customer excitement for limited time products. In short, marketing ensures that food innovations are not only creative but also relevant, appealing, and accessible to consumers, turning new ideas into successful products. Now, question: how marketing drives innovation? Marketing is a key driver of food innovation because it helps businesses understand what consumers want. Through research and trend analysis, marketers can identify customer demands. For example, the growing interest in healthy, sustainable, and convenient foods. Once these preferences are known, companies can develop and improve products that meet those needs. For instance, they might create eco-friendly packaging, healthier ingredients, or ready-to-eat options that fit busy lifestyles. In short, marketing guides companies in the right direction for innovation, ensuring new food products are not only creative but also relevant and appealing to modern consumers. Now, let me explain to you the role of artificial intelligence in food research. How artificial intelligence, or what we call AI, is transforming food research and innovation. AI uses machine learning, data analysis, and automation to help scientists and companies create better, safer, and more appealing food products. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and predict what consumers want. It also improves food safety, quality control, and production efficiency. For example, IBM's Chef Watson uses AI to suggest new and unique recipe combinations. Next is the AI-driven quality control systems detect food spoilage or contamination in factories. And also the predictive analytics help companies forecast food trends and consumer preferences. In summary, AI plays a key role in making food research smarter and faster, ensuring that new products are innovative, safe, and suited to consumer needs. On the other hand, how AI transforms food research. So how does artificial intelligence improves and speeds up the process of food research? AI allows scientists and companies to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, helping them design healthier, tastier, and safer food products. It also promotes sustainability by reducing food waste and improving efficiency through smart supply chain management. For example, predicting demand, optimizing storage, and monitoring freshness. Overall, AI makes food production more intelligent, eco-friendly, and responsive to consumer needs. Indeed, both marketing and AI are vital in shaping modern food innovation. Marketing focuses on understanding and connecting with consumers, their needs, preferences, and emotions, while AI contributes through scientific insights, data accuracy, and efficiency in food research and production. When combined, these two fields help create food products that are not only innovative and appealing, but also safe, sustainable, and future ready, driving the continuous growth and improvement of the food industry. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned something from my topic today.